Making those sweet memories, that's what truly builds a foundation. It's not always about the grand gestures, but the thoughtful moments, the shared laughter, and the quiet connections that really fill up your heart. Dallas, with its big Texas charm and hidden gems, has so much to offer for couples looking to create just that kind of day. Today I want to walk you through a day designed not just to see the sights, but to really experience them together, hand in hand. Think of it as crafting a beautiful story, chapter by chapter, from the fresh hope of the morning sun to the twinkle of the evening stars. We're going to find those spots that feel like home, even if you're just visiting, and uncover little pockets of joy that will have you talking for weeks to come. It's about finding beauty in the everyday and turning it into something truly special. So, grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, and let's map out a day that's all about the two of you. We'll explore some of my favorite kinds of places, ones with character, heart, and plenty of opportunities to just be together. From delicious food to beautiful scenery and a little bit of adventure, this Dallas date is all about strengthening that bond and making your Saturday something you'll cherish. Let's get started on planning a day full of love and discovery. Our perfect Dallas date begins bright and early, because there's something so hopeful about starting the day together with the rising sun. We're heading over to La La Land Kind Cafe. Now, this place isn't just about delicious coffee and treats, it's about the heart behind it. I always find that starting the day with a little bit of kindness sets such a beautiful tone. You'll want to try their famous lavender latte. It's just as dreamy as it sounds, or maybe a comforting cup of their signature brew. And for a little something to nibble on, their avocado toast is always a winner, fresh and full of goodness. Or if you've got a sweet tooth like Chip, that lemon poppy seed muffin is a little slice of sunshine. Once you've savored your breakfast and soaked in the lovely atmosphere, take a little time to wander around the Lower Greenville neighborhood. It's got such a charming, walkable vibe with cute shops and historic buildings. It's the perfect opportunity to just stroll, talk, and ease into your day. There's no rush. This morning is all about enjoying those simple, sweet moments together. Think of it as laying the first, gentle brushstrokes on the canvas of your day. It's about finding beauty in these quiet beginnings, sharing a smile over a warm drink and feeling that connection deepen with every shared glance and easy conversation. This is where the good stuff happens, y'all. After that cozy start, it's time to embrace a little bit of nature's beauty and get those arms working with a morning kayaking adventure at White Rock Lake. There's something so peaceful about being out on the water, just the gentle lapping of the waves against your kayak and the wide open sky above. It's a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle and reconnect with each other. Don't forget your essentials for this part of the day. Sunglasses to shield your eyes from that bright Texas sun, plenty of sunscreen because it can get strong out there, and a good supply of water to stay hydrated. Being prepared just means you can relax and enjoy the experience even more. And here's a little tip from me to you. If you really want to make it a bonding experience, rent a tandem kayak. It's all about teamwork, paddling in sync, and navigating the waters together. You'll share laughs, maybe a few gentle splashes, and the quiet satisfaction of exploring side by side. It's these shared activities where you rely on each other a bit that often create the most lasting memories. Imagine gliding across the calm lake, pointing out the birds, admiring the shoreline, and just enjoying the serenity. It's a beautiful way to spend a morning, surrounded by nature and the company of your favorite person. This is about creating a moment of shared tranquility and adventure. Once you've worked up an appetite on the lake, it's time to head over to the Bishop Arts District for a delightful lunch. This neighborhood is just brimming with character, y'all. It's one of those places that feels like a small town within the big city, with its independent boutiques, art galleries, and that unmistakable creative energy. For lunch, you've got some wonderfully comforting options. If you're in the mood for something classic and oh so good, the Dallas Grilled Cheese Company is calling your name. I mean, who can resist a perfectly gooey grilled cheese? Or if pizza is more your style, Eno's Pizza Tavern serves up some fantastic pies in a really cool historic building. Both are just perfect for a relaxed, satisfying meal. After you've refueled, the real fun in Bishop Arts is just exploring. Give yourselves plenty of time to wander through the unique shops. You might find a vintage treasure, a new favorite book at one of the local bookstores, or just enjoy window shopping. And, because no meal is truly complete without a little something sweet, you absolutely have to make a stop at Emporium Pies. Their handcrafted pies are legendary, and sharing a slice is such a sweet way to top off your lunch. It's this unhurried exploration, discovering little gems together, that makes an afternoon in Bishop Arts so special. It's about savoring the flavors and the unique atmosphere of a place that's truly one of a kind. Alright, after a charming lunch and a bit of leisurely strolling, it's time to kick things up a notch and get that adrenaline pumping. We're heading to the Trinity Forest Adventure Park for an afternoon of high-flying fun. This isn't just any park, it's an aerial adventure course nestled among the trees, with zip lines that will have you soaring and ropes courses that will challenge you in the best way possible. It's the kind of activity that brings out your playful side and lets you see a different kind of strength in each other. Remember to wear comfortable, active clothes and good sneakers. You'll be climbing, balancing and zipping for about 2 hours, so comfort is key to enjoying every moment. This experience is all about teamwork and encouragement. You'll be navigating wobbly bridges, tight ropes and exciting zip lines, and there's nothing quite like hearing your partner cheer you on from the next platform or reaching out a hand to help. It's about facing those little fears together and celebrating each accomplishment, big or small. Imagine the thrill of zipping through the treetops, the laughter as you tackle a tricky obstacle, and the pride in completing a challenging course side by side. This is where you build those fun, exhilarating memories. The ones that make you say, "Remember when we did that?" It's an adventure that's sure to bring you closer, with plenty of high fives along the way. After all that excitement and adventure at Trinity Forest, it's time for a well-deserved breather. We're going to head over to Clyde Warren Park, which is such a brilliant urban oasis, built right over a freeway. It's a place where the city comes to relax and play, and it's the perfect spot for you two to cool down and just enjoy a moment of calm together. You can find a nice spot on the lawn, maybe under the shade of a tree, and just watch the world go by. There's always something happening at Clyde Warren, from people playing games to families enjoying the open space. It's a wonderful place to just be. One of the things I love about this park is the amazing array of food trucks that line the perimeter. You can grab a refreshing drink, maybe a light snack if you're feeling a bit peckish, and just enjoy the casual, vibrant atmosphere. This is also a really good time to think ahead to your evening plans. If you're planning on a fancier dinner later, Clyde Warren Park offers a convenient moment for a quick outfit change. You can freshen up and feel ready for the romantic evening ahead. This little interlude is all about recharging your batteries, enjoying some downtime, and transitioning smoothly from your action-packed afternoon to a more relaxed and elegant evening. It's these thoughtful pauses that make a long date feel effortless and enjoyable. As evening begins to settle over Dallas, it's time to elevate your date, quite literally. We're heading to Reunion Tower for a truly special dinner experience at Crown Block. This restaurant isn't just about incredible food, it's about those breathtaking panoramic views of the Dallas skyline. There's something undeniably romantic about dining with the city lights twinkling all around you. It sets such a magical mood for an intimate meal. For this part of your date, you'll want to dress smart casual to semi-formal. It's nice to dress up a little for each other and make the evening feel even more special. It's an occasion to savor, after all. Before or after your dinner, I highly recommend a visit to the Geo Deck at Reunion Tower. From up there, the views are just spectacular, especially as night falls and the city truly comes alive with light. It's the perfect spot to capture some beautiful photos together, with that stunning backdrop. Imagine sharing a delicious meal, talking about your favorite parts of the day, and then stepping out onto the observation deck to take in the vastness of the city below. It's a moment that feels grand and intimate all at once. This dinner is designed to be a highlight, a memorable chapter in your Dallas love story, filled with delicious flavors and unforgettable vistas. With dinner and those stunning views still warming your hearts, it's time to immerse yourselves in the vibrant energy of Deep Ellum for some live music and drinks. This historic neighborhood is the beating heart of Dallas's music scene, and there's a sound for every soul here. It's the kind of place where the music spills out onto the streets, and you can just feel that creative pulse in the air. Walking through Deep Ellum at night, with its colorful murals and lively crowds, is an experience in itself. It's the perfect way to keep the good times rolling and add a little rhythm to your romantic evening. You've got some wonderful choices depending on your mood and musical taste. If you're looking for a smooth, jazzy vibe, Twilight Lounge is a fantastic spot, intimate and cool. For those who love a more laid-back, foot-stomping country sound, Adair's Saloon is a legendary honky-tonk that always delivers a good time. And if blues and maybe even some delicious Cajun food are calling your name, the Freeman Cajun Cafe and Lounge offers incredible live performances that will have you swaying. The beauty of Deep Ellum is exploring and finding that perfect little spot that feels just right for the two of you. A place to share a drink, listen to some great tunes, and just soak in the atmosphere of a truly iconic Dallas neighborhood. After a night filled with incredible music and the lively spirit of Deep Ellum, there's one more delightful stop to make before your perfect Dallas date comes to a close. It's time for a late-night sweet treat, because every memorable day deserves a perfectly sweet ending, don't you think? We're talking about winding down with something utterly delicious that will leave you with a warm, contented feeling. Depending on where your heart and sweet tooth leads you, you have a couple of fantastic options that are practically institutions when it comes to dessert in Dallas. This is that final, cozy moment to savor. You could revisit the charm of Emporium pies, perhaps finding a different location or simply craving another taste of their heavenly creations. Their smooth operator French silk pie is pure decadence, rich and velvety, while the Lord of the Pies deep dish apple pie is a comforting classic done to perfection. Or, if you're in the mood for something a bit different, Milk and Cream offers innovative and delightful ice cream treats, often served in warm donut buns, a truly unique and satisfying experience. Imagine sharing a forkful of pie or a spoonful of creamy ice cream, laughing softly and just enjoying these last few quiet moments together. It's the perfect, gentle way to cap off an adventure-filled day. And now, for the very last chapter of our epic Dallas date, we're aiming for something truly magical and serene, a bit of stargazing or a peaceful scenic drive. After a day packed with so much fun, laughter, and connection, this is your time to just be still together, under the vast Texas sky. One lovely spot for this is Flagpole Hill. It offers a nice vantage point away from the brightest city lights where you can lay out a blanket and hopefully catch a glimpse of the stars. There's something so humbling and romantic about looking up at the night sky together. Alternatively, if the weather isn't quite right for stargazing or you simply prefer the gentle motion, a scenic drive can be just as wonderful. Put on a slow, thoughtful playlist, music that speaks to your hearts, and just cruise. This is the perfect opportunity to talk about your favorite moments from the day. What made you laugh the most? What new thing did you discover about each other or about Dallas? Bring a cozy blanket to snuggle under if you're stargazing, and let the quiet of the night envelop you. It's these simple, intimate moments of reflection that truly seal the memories in your heart, ending your perfect day on a note of quiet joy and deep connection. And there you have it. A perfect Saturday date in Dallas from sunrise to starlight. We've journeyed through cozy cafes, paddled on peaceful waters, explored vibrant neighborhoods, soared through the trees, dined with breathtaking views, and swayed to soulful music. It's been a day designed to fill your hearts and create a tapestry of beautiful moments that belong just to the two of you. I truly believe that it's in these shared experiences, big and small, that we find the deepest connections and build stories that last. Remember, the heart of any great date isn't just about the places you go, but the presence you share. It's about listening, laughing, and loving your way through the day. Dallas, with all its warmth and charm, just provides the beautiful backdrop for your own unique love story to unfold. I hope this itinerary inspires you to create your own unforgettable adventures and to always make time for what truly matters, each other. These are the days you'll look back on with a smile, the memories that become the treasures of your relationship. Enjoy every moment with your special someone and make memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite date ideas in the comments below. We love hearing how you're making your own spaces and moments beautiful. Until next time, happy memory making, y'all.